Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to destination for cutting-edge insights into the world of technology. Today, we've curated an exciting lineup of the top 5 coolest tech gadgets that are making waves this year. But before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have that like button ready, because trust me, you won't want to miss out on these game changers. From futuristic wearables to mind-blowing smart home devices, we've got it all covered, so buckle up and join the ride as we explore the very best in tech for 2024. Starting off at number 5, we have the 12 South BookArc Flex, a space-saving vertical stand designed for Apple MacBooks and laptops. Perfect for those tight on desk space, the BookArc Flex cradles your device vertically, instantly transforming your laptop into a desktop luxury dock. Connect an external monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and voila! Your MacBook is now a productivity powerhouse. The sleek aluminum design seamlessly blends with any decor, while non-slip silicone pads ensure your laptop stays secure. Elevating your laptop minimizes spills, improves airflow, and prevents overheating, extending the life of your machine. It's all about simplicity and efficiency with this modern stand. Moving on to number 4, we have the Loonthree, a 3-port 240-watt GaN charger tailored for gaming laptops. With a USB-C port capable of delivering up to 100 W, this charger can fully power up a MacBook Pro 16-inch in just 1.2 hours. Loonthree's versatility shines through as it can simultaneously charge a gaming laptop and a MacBook, providing a combined power output of DC 140 watt and PD 100 watt. The smart charging system switches power supply to suit each device, ensuring efficiency and compatibility with various protocols. This charger is a game changer for those looking to power multiple devices seamlessly. Now let's explore number 3, the EchoPod Dock4, a docking station that redefines convenience and innovation. Thunderbolt 4 certification ensures lightning-fast data transfer and charging capabilities, making it a powerhouse for your devices. The unique tower design adds stability compared to traditional stands, preventing clutter as peripherals increase. The sleek and modern design, combined with sturdy construction, makes it a stylish addition to any setup. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, the EchoPod Dock4 provides the reliability and efficiency you need to stay connected and productive. Coming in at number 2, we have the Echo Hub, an 8-inch smart home control panel with Alexa compatibility. This device is a game changer for those looking to streamline their smart home experience. Customize controls and widgets on the dashboard for quick adjustments, and connect with thousands of devices seamlessly. With support for various connectivity protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Matter, Sidewalk, and Thread, the Echo Hub serves as a centralized hub for your smart home. Additionally, it offers home security features, including integration with Ring security systems. Designed for easy installation, it can be wall-mounted or placed on a tabletop stand, and it's built with privacy in mind, including a mic-off button and support for end-to-end encrypted Ring video. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the LG 27-inch StanbyME Go Portable Smart 1080p touchscreen. This device boasts a briefcase design, making it portable for tailgates, camping, or any on-the-go adventure. The built-in battery provides up to 3 hours of cordless freedom, allowing you to enjoy entertainment without being tethered to power outlets. The 27-inch touchscreen is adjustable for various activities, and with features like Wi-Fi connectivity, HDMI, USB ports, and support for Apple AirPlay 2, it keeps you connected wherever you are. Powered by LG WebOS, it brings a plethora of apps, video streaming, music playing, and internet browsing right at your fingertips. Plus, it's designed for sustainability, made from 27% recycled materials with eco-friendly packaging.